In this video, I will show you how to convert lines and text into table using AutoCAD Lisp command. Now, you have to be careful because if I select this line, if I right click and go to properties, you realize this is not a line, it's a polyline. And if you try to use uh, the code command, it will fail. So the first thing is to make sure all your lines are exploded from polyline. If you use polyline, if this is polyline, you need to explode to lines. So even though this is just looks like a line, it's a polyline. If you go to property, you realize it's a polyline. So you need to convert poly to lines. Select similar, okay, and then explode. Now if I select these, go to properties, you notice now this time this is a line, not a polyline. Now we need to load our Lisp. Now I will just type upload a. I will just type upload and then hit enter. Then go to the location of your convert all table Lisp LSP and then load, and then after that type code. Then you have now this command. You can just select it, select standard, yes. I will just select my table and hit enter. Now here is our table where we can now stretch. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.